Excavator, the digging dynamo. Did you know that excavators are like the superheroes of the construction world? With their powerful hydraulic arms and bucket attachments, they can dig trenches, scoop up dirt, and even demolish old buildings. Bulldozer, the mighty mover. Bulldozers are the heavyweights of the construction site. Their sturdy blades can push massive piles of soil, rocks, and debris out of the way, making it easier to prepare the ground for building projects. Crane, the lifting legend. Cranes are like giant mechanical arms reaching for the sky. They're used to lift and move heavy materials, such as steel beams and concrete blocks, to towering heights during construction. Dump truck, the hauling hero. Dump trucks are the workhorses of the construction site. With their huge beds and powerful engines, they transport and dump large quantities of materials like gravel, sand, and rubble with ease. BCO Loader, the versatile wonder. BCO loaders are like Swiss Army knives on wheels. They combine the digging power of an excavator with the lifting capabilities of a loader, making them perfect for a wide range of tasks, from digging trenches to loading materials. Skid steer loader, the agile performer. Skid steer loaders are compact and maneuverable, making them ideal for tight spaces and small construction sites. With their quick attach system, they can switch between various attachments like buckets, forks, and augers with ease. Grater, the surface smoother. Graters, also known as motor graters, are used to flatten and smooth surfaces like roads and parking lots. With their long blade and precise controls, they can create level surfaces with just the right slope and grade. Paver, the pathmaker. Pavers are essential for laying asphalt or concrete surfaces like roads, driveways, and sidewalks. They distribute and compact the material evenly to create smooth and durable surfaces for transportation and pedestrian use. Roller compactor, the compact crusader. Roller compactors, also known as road rollers, are used to compact soil, gravel, asphalt, or concrete to create stable foundations and smooth surfaces. Their heavy drums exert pressure to compress the material and eliminate air voids. Concrete mixer truck, the mixing maestro. Concrete mixer trucks are like mobile concrete plants on wheels. They mix cement, sand, gravel, and water while on the move, ensuring a consistent and homogeneous mixture for various construction projects. Forklift, the lifting luminary. Forklifts are indispensable for lifting and moving heavy materials and equipment on construction sites and warehouses. With their extendable forks and hydraulic systems, they can handle loads with precision and efficiency. Telescopic handler, the reach extender. Telescopic handlers, also known as telehandlers, are versatile machines used for lifting and reaching tasks on construction sites. With their telescopic boom and various attachments, they can lift, extend, and maneuver with ease. Trencher, the trenching titan. Trenchers are specialized machines used for digging trenches quickly and efficiently. They're commonly used for laying underground utilities like water pipes, electrical cables, and drainage systems. Scissor lift, the elevated explorer. Scissor lifts are used to provide temporary access to elevated areas for maintenance, construction, or repair work. With their extendable platform and hydraulic scissor mechanism, they can lift workers and equipment to various heights safely. Articulated hauler, the off-road champion. Articulated haulers, also known as articulated dump trucks, are designed for off-road hauling tasks on rough terrain. With their articulated chassis and all-wheel drive, they can navigate challenging conditions and transport heavy loads with stability and agility. Off-highway truck, the heavy-duty hauler. Off-highway trucks are rugged and powerful vehicles used for hauling heavy loads over rough terrain in construction, mining, and quarrying operations. With their massive capacity and durable construction, they're essential for moving materials in demanding environments. Reach stacker, the container conqueror. Reach stackers are specialized for handling shipping containers at ports, terminals, and logistics centers. With their extendable boom and adjustable spreader, they can lift and stack containers with precision and efficiency.
Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe my channel AMB Kids TV. See you next time.